Hello everyone, it's Claire, and today I'm going to be sharing with you a new awesome way for you to be creative, for you to paint your very own masterpiece, and that is with the company Paint Vibes. So what this company is all about, it is about giving you a way to create a masterpiece, and you do this with their paint by numbers kits, which I'm going to be unboxing and showing you. So if you're not exactly an expert painter, but you just really want an outlet for painting, you want to be able to create something, you want something to do as a therapeutic thing, winding down, relaxing, being creative, using paints, then this is for you, because they give you everything that you need in order to create your painting. So we apparently today have a fox painting. So I'm going to be doing a little bit of a demonstration for you guys, but exactly here you can see that each little section has a number and there are instructions on the back. So let's go ahead and unbox these. And I'm going to show you how you can create your own masterpiece. And you don't even need to be an expert in painting. So it comes with a canvas. The other great thing is you get all of your paint supplies included. So you get your paints that you will need to create this painting. You will get your paint brushes, everything. And let me go ahead and just show you right here. So here's all of the paints that you will need, and they are all numbered as well. So you've got the numbers that are going to correlate to your painting, and you're just going to be painting inside the lines. So this is a great way for you to practice your detailed painting, and you can do this with a young one as well, with your child, students, things like that, and teach them how to paint. And they can use this as a way to just like get familiar with the medium, like what the paint feels like on the canvas and how to paint inside the lines and where the colors are going in relationship to each other. So it's a great way to practice painting. Now you've also got little paint brushes of different types, and you can use whichever ones you want while you're painting. And they've got a little map here as well. So this is a smaller version of the paint by numbers, so it's going to be sharing with you all of the little details, all of the little numbers of where each thing goes, and they are also showing you what it should look like in the end. So you will be able to create this beautiful painting as something in your own way. You will be creating it in your own way on this canvas. So this is a pretty nice big canvas. The other really great thing about this company that I saw on their website is that they offer a free tree planting for every purchase. So that is so sweet that they're planting trees for your purchase. So this right here apparently is going to also be planting a tree, which is really awesome. So let's go ahead and try this out. So I'll just start with some of the orange. So it looks like we could just do 22 right here. So let's test out these paints. Nice. Okay, so 22. Nice. And you can just practice using the different brushes. Practice your stroke. Make sure you're in the lines. But if you're not, it's okay, because you're going to be able to paint over it with whatever other paint you have. But yeah, it seems to be doing great. If the numbers still show up, you'll just paint over them once this one dries. We've also got different types of brushes and So you just match up each one. As you can see, there's many different colors available. And you will just match these up to what is on the actual painting here. So if I see 13, I will just find 13 here. All right, everyone, so that is the video today. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead, check out the links below as well for the website, for discount codes, and you can get shopping for your own creation. There's so many different types of beautiful masterpieces, different artworks you can browse through, and you can choose the ones that you want to paint. I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.